Welcome back to Product Critique,
where we dissect the latest gadgets and gizmos to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're diving into the LaCie Rugged Mini SSD, a portable storage solution that promises speed and durability.
Let's see if it lives up to the hype.
The LaCie Rugged Mini SSD is all about portability and toughness, but does it deliver?
Let's break it down. First off, let's talk design.
The Rugged Mini SSD sports a unique aesthetic with its metallic monolith encased in an orange rubberized bumper. It's IP54 rated for water and dust protection, making it ideal for on-the-go use. However, the design could be a bit confusing with its plethora of similar-looking LaCie drives. Moving on to performance, this SSD supports USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 mode for enhanced file transfer speeds. In optimal conditions, it can achieve impressive transfer speeds of up to 2000 megabytes per second, provided you have the right port. However, it falls short when it comes to Thunderbolt compatibility, capping the throughput at around 1000 megabytes per second. The package includes the drive itself, and a USB-C cable, but disappointingly, no USB-A adapter or pouch. Additionally, the software suite offers useful tools like the LaCie Toolkit for automated folder syncing but lacks features like firmware management. So, should you buy the LaCie Rugged Mini SSD? Well, it depends. If you have USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 ports and need a rugged, fast storage solution, it could be worth considering. However, if you prioritize hardware encryption or Thunderbolt compatibility, you might want to explore other options. That wraps up our review of the LaCie Rugged Mini SSD.
Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews.
Until next time, happy shopping!